Every once in a while, we need a little temperature check. How are we doing financially? Where are we going in our careers? What's the future looking like? And what would we like it to have? And so, this Kundalini Yoga meditation called Karani Kriya is designed to do exactly that. We'll be using the breath, a movement, a mudra, and a focal point in order to bring about that clarity so that we can visualize where the future is going to take us. It's powerful, it's short, it's sweet, it's fairly simple to do. And I invite you now to get ready for your Kundalini meditation. So, without further ado, my name is Salimah, yoga therapist, and I've been here with you on YouTube for about 15 years now, and it's been my greatest delight to see so many more people engaging in the practice, changing the things that need to be changed in their lives, and feeling better. So thank you and welcome. If you're new here, I'm excited to know your thoughts and feelings about this video, and if you've been here before, yes, you know where it's at. Let's get started now. Sit up tall and straight. Make sure that your spine is aligned. And as you align your spine, know that you are aligning with the center of the earth and the center of the universe, all residing right here. We'll start with a mantra. Place your palms together at the center of your chest. Close your eyes and focus all of your energy right here and right now. Take a few long, deep breaths and feel as though it's just you and me. We're practicing together, exploring and experimenting with different practices to see what really clicks, what fits. Inhaling very deeply through the nose, exhaling completely. And exhale one more time. Take a deep inhale, and we'll use the Adi mantra, a mantra in Gurmukhi, to tune in. Om Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. One more time. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale very deeply and start to visualize the future in front of you in terms of work and career, your prosperity, your financial abundance. This is a very directed type of meditation towards those outcomes. We're focusing on throat chakra, which is about creativity and calling in what you need. So be prepared for some energy, a sensation of energy, maybe around your throat chakra. We're going to take the hands now and fold the ring finger and baby finger down, and then raise the arms up so that they are forming a band in front of your heart space, in front of your chest. And then the middle finger and index finger are touching. You may have to work with that a little bit in order for those fingers to touch, but that's exactly what you want to do. Arms are up. We're going to be holding here for the amount of time for the meditation, which is just about 3 to 4 minutes. Close your eyes and look towards the tip of your nose so the eyes are not quite closed and not quite open, letting in a sliver of light. And we're going to breathe in this pattern. Inhale for 2, hold for 5, and exhale for 10. It's a silent meditation. It is an opportunity to reflect deeply on what it is that you want to usher into your future. Let's begin now. Sitting up tall, readjust your body position, close your eyes, and let's begin. Inhale 2, hold 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale 2, hold 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale 10, long and slow. Inhale 2, hold 5. Exhale, slow count of 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now visualize what you'd like to usher in. Just 3 more rounds. Last one. Good. Take a deep inhale here. And softly relax your hands all the way down. Keep your palms facing up onto your knees. And as you take these quiet moments now, visualize the prosperity, the opportunities. Maybe it's a new position, a new job, a new career, a new field of work, a way that brings you pleasure, uses all your skills and talents. Think about all of those aspects as you sit quietly now. The breath is a way of controlling life force, of energy, and hovering the hands just around the heart space allows expansion. And if you practice this for 40 days, make sure you comment below. Let me know that you've committed to it. And then every day post about it, every day journal about it, and notice what starts to arise in your life. We close now with a long Sat short Nam, pressing the palms together at the center of your chest. A quick and easy meditation to bring clarity and prosperity. Inhale deeply. Sa Nam. Bowing your head in reverence to you and to the teachings. Satnam, everybody. My name is Salimah, yoga therapist. Thank you for joining in today. Come on back tomorrow and practice and let me know how it goes. Bye for now.